We know that high energy costs can be a real pain in the wallet, but what if we told you that there are ways to save money on your energy bills that you may not have heard of before? In this video, we're going to share with you some unconventional yet effective energy-saving tips that you can start implementing today. These tips will not only help you save money, but also help you do your part in reducing your carbon footprint and being more environmentally friendly. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some money-saving tips for your home. Tip 1: use a programmable thermostat. Think about it. Have you ever left your home for work or vacation only to realize later that you left the air conditioning or heater running full blast? Not only is this a huge waste of energy, but it can also put a serious dent in your energy bill. Enter the programmable thermostat. This handy little device allows you to set specific temperatures for different times of the day, so you can make sure your home is always at the perfect temperature without wasting energy. For example, you can set the temperature to be cooler during the day when you're at work or school and warmer in the evening when you're home. That way, you'll come back to a comfortable house without wasting energy while you're away. But it's not just about saving money. Programmable thermostat also helps to reduce your carbon footprint and be more environmentally friendly. So if you haven't already, go out and invest in a programmable thermostat and start saving money and energy today. Trust us, your wallet and the planet will thank you. Tip 2: seal air leaks. You know that feeling when you're sitting in your living room, bundled up in a blanket and still feeling a draft? That's the feeling of warm air escaping from your home. And it's not only uncomfortable, but it's also costing you money. Air leaks or gaps in your home's envelope can allow warm air to escape and cold air to enter, making your heating system work harder to maintain the temperature. It's like having a hole in your pocket and letting all your money fall out, except instead of money, it's warm air. But don't worry, sealing air leaks is a relatively easy and inexpensive task. You can use caulk or weather stripping to seal around windows and doors. These materials are readily available at most hardware stores and are easy to apply. By sealing air leaks, you'll keep your home more comfortable and reduce your energy bills. It's a win-win situation. So take a walk around your home and pay attention to any drafts you may feel. Once you've identified the areas where warm air is escaping, grab some caulk or weather stripping and seal those leaks. You'll be surprised by how much money and energy you can save. Tip 3: use energy-efficient light bulbs. Let's talk about light bulbs, the little glowing friends that brighten up our lives. But have you ever stopped to think about how much energy they use? Traditional incandescent bulbs use a lot of energy and burn out quickly, which means more money spent on replacements. But don't despair. There's a better way. Enter energy-efficient light bulbs like LED and cephal bulbs. These little powerhouses use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and have a longer lifespan. It's like upgrading from a gas guzzler to a hybrid car. You'll save money on gas and be better for the environment. Imagine all the money you'll save by switching out all the light bulbs in your home with LED or cephal bulbs. It's like finding a hidden stash of cash, except instead of cash, it's savings on your energy bill. So when it's time to replace your light bulbs, don't just grab the first one you see. Make the switch to energy-efficient light bulbs and start saving money and energy today. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Tip 4: insulate your attic. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Think of your attic like a cozy sweater. It keeps you warm and toasty in the winter and cool in the summer. But just like a sweater with holes, if your attic is not properly insulated, warm air can escape and cold air can seep in, making your home less energy efficient. Insulating your attic can keep the warm air inside your home during the winter and keep the hot air out during the summer. It's like having a personal air conditioner and heater in your attic. By insulating your attic, you'll not only save money on your energy bills, but you'll also make your home more comfortable It's like getting a raise at work, except instead of more money, it's more comfort in your home. The process of insulating your attic is relatively easy and affordable. You can either do it yourself or hire a professional. So, whether you're a handy person or not, adding insulation to your attic is a small step that can make a big difference in your energy bills and comfort. It's time to give your attic the upgrade it deserves and start saving money and energy today. Tip 5. Plant trees and shrubs. Mother Nature is truly amazing, and she has a way of providing us with natural solutions to our problems. In this case, the solution is trees and shrubs. These leafy green friends can provide natural shading for your home, keeping it cooler in the summer and reducing your dependence on air conditioning. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your home, but instead of protecting you from bad guys, they protect you from the sun's scorching rays. By planting trees and shrubs around the south and west sides of your home, you can block the sun's rays from entering your home, keeping it cool and comfortable, even on the hottest days. But it's not just about saving money on your energy bills. Planting trees and shrubs also helps to improve the environment by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. So, whether you have a green thumb or not, consider planting trees and shrubs around your home. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your energy bills and the environment. It's time to give back to nature and let her help you save money and energy. Tip 6. Use solar power. Let's talk about harnessing the power of the sun. Solar power is like having your own personal energy genie, granting you the power to heat your home and provide electricity. And the best part is, it's completely free and renewable. By investing in solar panels or a solar water heater, you can generate a significant portion of your home's energy needs and save money on your energy bills. It's like having a personal ATM, but instead of dispensing cash, it dispenses energy savings. But solar power is not just about saving money. It's also about being environmentally friendly and reducing your carbon footprint. Solar power is a clean and sustainable source of energy that doesn't pollute the air or harm the environment. So, whether you're a tree-hugging environmentalist or just someone who wants to save money, consider investing in solar power. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your energy bills and the environment. It's time to let the sun shine on your savings. Tip 7. Use a clothesline or drying rack. When it comes to drying clothes, most of us just toss them in the dryer and let it do its magic. But have you ever thought about the cost of that magic? Dryers use a lot of energy, and that energy adds up over time. It's like throwing money out the window with every load of laundry. But what if we told you there's a more natural and cost-effective way of drying clothes? Enter the clothesline or drying rack. These simple tools allow you to dry your clothes using the power of the sun and the wind, and the best part is, it's completely free. It's like having a personal stylist, but instead of picking out clothes, they're picking out the perfect weather to dry your clothes. By using a clothesline or drying rack, you'll save money on your energy bills and also reduce your carbon footprint. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your energy bills and the environment. So, whether you have a big backyard or a small balcony, consider installing a clothesline or drying rack and start saving money and energy today. It's time to let Mother Nature do the work for you. Tip 8. Unplug electronics when not in use. We all have that one friend who can't help but leave their phone plugged in all day even when it's fully charged. But did you know that many electronics continue to use power even when they are turned off, known as standby power? It's like having a vampire friend who sucks the life out of your energy bills. But don't worry, there's a way to protect yourself from the energy vampire. By unplugging electronics when not in use, you can save money on your energy bills. It's like having a personal energy bodyguard who guards your energy bills from being drained. Consider unplugging electronics such as your TV, computer, or charger when they are not in use. It may seem like a small step, but it can add up to big savings over time. So, next time you're leaving the house or going to bed, unplug those electronics and save money on your energy bills. It's time to protect yourself from the energy vampire and let your savings shine. Tip 9. cook with a pressure cooker. When it comes to cooking, most of us rely on traditional stovetop or oven methods. But have you ever thought about the cost of that convenience? These methods use a lot of energy, and that energy adds up over time. It's like throwing money into a pot and watching it boil away. But what if we told you there's a more energy-efficient way of cooking? Enter the pressure cooker. This handy kitchen appliance uses much less energy to cook food than traditional stovetop or oven methods. It's like having a personal chef who cooks your meals using minimal energy. By using a pressure cooker, you'll save money on your energy bills and also reduce your carbon footprint. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your energy bills and the environment. So, whether you're a master chef or just someone who wants to save money, consider investing in a pressure cooker and start saving money and energy today. It's time to let the pressure cooker do the work for you. Tip pattern: use a ceiling fan. When it comes to keeping cool during the summer, most of us rely on air conditioning, but have you ever thought about the cost of that comfort? Air conditioning units use a lot of energy, and that energy adds up over time. It's like throwing money out the window with every degree you lower the temperature. But what if we told you there's a more natural and cost-effective way of keeping cool? Enter the ceiling fan. This simple yet powerful device can help circulate air in your home, making it feel cooler and reducing the need for air conditioning. It's like having a personal air conditioner, but instead of using energy, it uses the power of the wind. By using a ceiling fan, you'll save money on your energy bills and also reduce your carbon footprint. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your energy bills and the environment. So, whether you're a fan of the wind or just someone who wants to save money, consider installing a ceiling fan in your living room and bedrooms and start saving money and energy today. It's time to let the wind do the work for you. We hope you found our tips useful and creative. We've shared with you some unconventional yet effective ways to save money on your energy bills. Now it's your turn to take action. Start implementing these tips today and watch as your energy bills decrease and your savings increase. Remember that small changes can add up to big savings, so don't be afraid to try something new. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.